So, my dear friends, subscribers, and whoever is watching this, I'm not sure if it's allowed to record the video today in those times when you're a little bit drunk. But anyway, I can say I drank some of the nice, great wine. That Dornfelder Lieblich. Yeah, it was quite nice and I love it. And I ended up in my car, like you can see, with a bicycle at the back of it. I did like, I don't know, maybe 20 or something kilometers today with it, or maybe 30, nothing special. And I'm enjoying in France, somewhere around Dunkirk, on that parking spot where you can parking for free for 24 hours and up. So I will sleep here, and I really don't understand why people need so much. Like yesterday I met with two German people from Köln, here not so far away, and they asked me, "Oh, you will sleep in a car?" And I said, "Yes." Isn't that a bit hard? I don't know, I put like, quite a thick mattress, I would say, under. And I have a sleeping bag, which is under, I think some -20 or -10. And I mostly travel with bicycle for last some time. Wherever is possible. It's electric bike. Yes, it's electric bike. And it's actually having 2 batteries. And I ordered another one today. So hopefully we'll have 3 batteries. And I'm going with that bicycle, which is there, from France to England. So I will just park the bicycle in France, in Dunkirk, and I will travel to England, to Eastbourne, and spend a few days there, and then I will travel back. Actually, I will go to England because I bought another bicycle. I have some bicycles now, mostly electric ones. So I have this one, which you see at the back. It's like a cargo bike. Then I have a Velomobile, Mango Tour, which is like 3-wheeler. And now I bought it another one, which is like a 4-wheeler. Some English people would know it because it's Bronx or Brox, I think. And I would love to make like a car bicycle, let's say like that. Because I checked that Quadricycle once and it's really nice. But 10,000 euros for Quadricycle, or actually 12,000 euros, it's a bit overpriced for me. So yes, my dear subscribers, yes, that's how I live for last, I don't know, maybe a week. And I don't know why would I need more. I don't really need a kitchen, I don't need a motorhome, RV with a television and satellite dish and whatever, but this is completely okay for me. And I can show you this parking here. It's in France. Here is like parking for the people on the wheelchair. It's empty because it's no people on the wheelchair today, it looks like it. And there you can see a lot of people. I mean, a lot of cars and RVs, motorhomes and everything here around. And yes, I will sleep here and enjoying Dunkirk. And just behind that hill is the sea. And today is a really nice day. In the morning was a little bit windy, over the night was a lot of rain, but now it's nice and fantastic. Yeah, so I just wanted to tell you that you can really live simple life, easy. You don't need a lot of money, you don't need to work 6 to 9 to 5 or whatever. And yeah, it is possible. So it's up to you. What will you do? I certainly recommend you to all of you that you think about it and find something else in your life. Maybe get drunk sometimes, maybe get high sometimes, maybe try ayahuasca sometimes, or whatever makes you happy and makes you certainly to research your life and to find your happiness. Because whatever system is offering you, I'm not sure if that is a happiness or happy way for you. But probably, maybe it is after you finish the college or university for a while, and especially if you'd like to prove yourself to other people, then probably that's the way. But if you'd like to be happy and enjoy yourself, then perhaps you need to find something else in your life and research yourself, your inner self. And I'm sure that you can find a lot of interesting things inside of you. So that's all from me and from Dunkirk. I love you all. God Francie. And yes, enjoy. Bye.